What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left and center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title in the thumbnail, say it with me. I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. DIY project. Hey, DIY project. It's going down. Meet me at Tees. It's going down. No, all right, but listen, y'all. This is going to be a super duper quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY project. It's affordable, budget friendly, whatever you want to say. But it's probably going to be my shortest DIY project because it's just that simple. So I have 3, 4, 5 items, 5 things here. All right, so I got these Redbird handcrafted candies, these peppermint naturally flavored candy puffs. Super good. I hope they're the soft ones, not the hard ones. The original melt away mint. Okay, we'll see how they melt. Okay, I have this heart-shaped container. It has the lid to it, of course. So we have that. It says Smitten on there. And I have this heart-shaped stand. It's ceramic, so yeah, it dropped, it break. Hot glue gun, hot glue sticks. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. But before I do that, y'all know what to do. Say hey T in the comment section. Leave me some comments in the comment section, child. Also, make sure you subscribe if you enjoy the content. If you do subscribe, click the bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. When you click the bell, select all so you're notified when I post all my videos, okay? And also, go ahead and share me out. Share this video. Share my other videos. Share. If you want to watch the videos from the past, I don't care. Just share, okay? Sharing is caring. Now, you can do this one of 2 ways. You can put it on here like this, which I like it like that, and do it like that. So let's go ahead and start by hot gluing the perimeter of our heart. Because, of course, this is a little deeper, so this is not going to touch that. And, you know what, I'm actually going to take this sticker off first. I know there's something to get the sticky stuff off. And I don't have that right now. So, we'll just rip off what we can. How about that? I don't know why, but it makes me cringe scratching this sticker off. This metal, like the hairs on my arms are standing up, honey. So there we have it. Okay, it's good enough. It's as good as it's gonna get. You could choose to rip yours completely off and scrape it and do however you want, but it's making me cringe. So
There is no way you couldn't stay for your man. Are you insane? See, I know that you may be just a bit jealous of me, but you're blind if you can't see that his love is holding me. See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what he told me. He said without me he couldn't make it through the day that I shamed. And maybe you misunderstood, cause I can't see how we could wanna taste something
find one that said Kisses, and I want to just stuff it with like a whole bunch of Hershey's Kisses, so that's a nice idea as well. But I thought, when I have people come over my house, I always have a little jar full of mints. So this will be really cute. Ain't nobody coming over, but that is. We have a little mint stand. I love this project. Comment down below if you plan to try this project. And if you do, you know what to do. Tag me in the picture or video that you upload to social media. Or you can send me an email with your picture. Send it to my DM. Whatever you want, but show me how you do yours. I did at first have a candle holder, a clear candle holder, and it was cute, but then I went around like all the glassware and stuff like on a stand, and I seen this, and I'm like, but I have to wrap this up because I'm about to do another DIY project for y'all. But listen, I got so many great videos out there. Like I have vlogs, I have family videos, I have videos talking about my myself, like my health, and I have fun videos. Like I have so many videos because I'm a lifestyle content creator. I film a lot of things in my life. So go ahead and check out all my other content. If you like hauls, I got hauls, shopping hauls, clothing hauls, grocery hauls, all kinds of hauls. Yeah, I got so many great videos out. And do me a favor, choose a playlist and run it up for me before you go to sleep. Put it on a device, a TV, something, and just let the whole playlist run throughout the night. If you're cleaning up, put it on, let the playlist run, so you can help me get to 4,000 watch hours. I am almost there. I'm keeping y'all updated because it is so exciting. So exciting, because a lot of times people don't talk about this, but being a content creator, a lot of times you can become discouraged, like really discouraged. A lot of days I'm like, forget this, I'm not doing this no more, it's not worth it. Like even like when I was doing Vlogmas, that's when you upload each day in December, and my views were so low, you know. Like I had some views before outside of YouTube, you know. Like I've gotten over 3 million views on my Facebook reel. I've gotten 500,000 views on another one. My highest number on YouTube is 30,000 for a YouTube short, and for a video, I think it's probably like I'm pushing 17,000. So I welcome one view, you know. As long as somebody's supporting me and watching me, I'm gonna keep rolling. But there are some days, like during Vlogmas, where when you are taking time away from your family, like your kids, your husband, or, you know, vice versa, whoever, there's a lot of days where I'll sit and I'll record, edit, and upload, or just record and edit. And sometimes that stuff can take hours and hours and hours. It could be a lot. So when I seen myself a couple days putting the work in, and I'm like, all right, so I'm putting in this much time to get this, I'm like, it ain't worth it. I'm about to be done with this. And then I'm like, just take a step back, take a couple days off, and get back to it, right? So even during Vlogmas in December, I was about to be like, no, I'm about to be done with this, because it's not it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Like, these views are not it. But I'm like, okay, don't go into the new year like this. Be consistent and just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. And so I told myself, even after I complete Vlogmas, you're going to keep uploading videos, continue to upload videos. And so that's what I did. I just continued to upload videos. I stayed consistent. And a lot of times, like, I do a lot of research. I watch a lot of people. And a lot of times they'll say, like, consistency is key, consistency is key. And when you're uploading videos for 30 days straight and, you know, nothing's moving, that can really, like, affect your mental. Like, okay, I'm consistent. Like, what's going on? But you have to take a step back, and like I did, and just realize that sometimes things are gonna, just because you're staying consistent for 30 days don't mean anything. You can stay consistent for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and not see results. You know what I'm saying? You just have to trust the process, stay consistent, stay positive, and just trust the path that God has you on. That's it, and that's all. When I started my YouTube channel, I was like, all right, let me just try this out. It's going to give me something to do while I'm in the house. I had the idea to, like, okay, this can make you some money, but if you're in it for the money, then it's not going to work out for you, because you're going to expect results like this, and you're going to want the money like this, and it's not going to happen like that. For some people, it do. Some people happen overnight, a month, 2 months, a year, whatever. But everyone's different. Everyone's channels are different. Even if you have the same content as someone, it's still different because you're different, okay? Nobody is the same. There's thousands of barbecue sauces out there, but everybody's recipe ain't your recipe, okay? Everything's a little, it might taste the same, might be, you know, be a little similar, but it's different. Even if they put garlic powder in their barbecue sauce, you might put a pinch, they might put a handful. So, you know, you just got to keep rolling. Don't pay attention to those around you. As far as, like, don't think that just because someone else is doing it, you can't do it too. There's so many people in this world doing the same thing, but it is just being delivered differently each and every time. So that's just my message to y'all, just to stay consistent, keep going, keep pushing, because again, I don't know, just it seems a little weird to think that I'll be monetized on YouTube in 2023. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm very excited about that. So yeah, you got this. I'm here to tell you that you got this. And I know it just sounds like, girl, whatever, because that's how I was watching people for some time, like them saying, oh, just be consistent, just be consistent. You got to keep working, keep pushing, keep working. And I'm like, I am. Like, girl, everybody keeps saying the same thing. I watch Denzel Washington's videos. He's saying stay consistent. I'm watching Eric Thomas videos. He's saying stay consistent. I'm watching all kind of people. They say be consistent, stay consistent. And I'm like, yeah, okay. Here it goes. I'm consistent. Ain't nothing happening. But again, like I said, keep pushing, stay positive. It'll happen when it happens. God's always on time. It's not about when you want things to happen, how you want things to happen. Everything's already planned out for you. So all you can do is just take it one day at a time. And I'm gonna leave y'all with this. My thing is own lane, own race, own pace. Compare yourself to nobody, because you are you. Give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, share, comment, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.
I don't care what I look like, but I feel good. Better than amazing.